Hello, everyone. Welcome to class.
Hello, Miss Elena.
Hi, teacher.
Today, we learn important words. We learn about who am I? And what are you?
Okay, I understand.
Yes, teacher.
Good. This is very important. Let's start our English lesson. I'm Elena. I'm your teacher. Now you. Who are you?
I am Hero.
Very good, Hero. And you?
I'm Sophia.
Excellent, Sophia. So I am for me. You are. Hero, you are a student, yes?
Yes, I am a student.
Sophia, you are a student, yes?
Yes, I am a student.
Perfect. I am. You are. Remember these words. My name's Elena. What is your name, Hero?
My name is Hero.
Good. And what is your name, Sophia?
My name is Sophia.
Excellent. We can also say it shorter. I'm Elena. This means I am. You're Hero. This means you are.
Ah, I'm Hero.
Yes, and Sophia. You're Sophia.
I'm Sophia. You're Elena.
Perfect. That is very good. Short forms are common. When we meet someone new, we say, "Nice to meet you." Hero, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Miss Elena.
Very good. Sophia, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, teacher.
Excellent. Now, time of day. Now it is good morning. Later, good afternoon. Then, good evening.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Yes, we say it for the time. I am your teacher. You are my student.
I am a student.
Yes, Hero, you are a student.
I'm a student.
Very good, Sophia. You are a student. When we leave, we say goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Miss Elena.
Goodbye, teacher.
Excellent. You remember many words. Let's practice more now. Okay, class. Look at me. I am Miss Elena. I am your teacher. This is me. I for me. Can you say I am?
I am Hero.
Good, Hero. Sophia?
I am Sophia.
Excellent. Now, Hero, are you a teacher?
No, I'm student.
Almost. We say I am a student.
I'm a student.
Perfect. Sophia, please complete this. I a student.
I'm a student.
Good. So I always goes with am. Now, let's talk about you, Hero. You are a student. Sophia, you are a student. You for another person. Can you make a sentence with you are?
You are Miss Elena.
Good. Yes, I am Miss Elena. Sophia?
You are my teacher.
Very good, Sophia. I am your teacher. Hero, please complete this. You, my friend.
You are my friend.
Excellent. You always goes with are. And it is nice to be friends, right?
Yes.
Yes, nice.
Sometimes we speak fast. We make words shorter. I am becomes I'm. See? I'm.
I'm Hero.
Good. And you are becomes your.
You're my teacher.
Fantastic. Now, a quick test. Choose the short form for I am.
I'm.
Correct. Hero, write the full form I'm Ben.
I'm Ben.
Good. Sophia, full form. You're my friend.
You are my friend.
Perfect. We use I'm and your a lot. Hello. When you meet a new person, you ask, "What is your name?" Say it with me. What is your name?
What is your name?
What is your name?
Good. And the answer is, my name is Elena. Or, I'm Elena. Try with Hero. Ask him.
Hello, What is your name?
My name is Hero. Nice to meet you, Sophia.
Wonderful. Hero, please complete. Hi.
Hi, my name's John.
Good job, both of you. This is very important. Okay, time to practice. Hero, Sophia, meet now. Imagine it is morning. What do you say?
Good morning, Sophia.
Good morning, Hero.
Good. Now ask name.
What is your name?
My name is Sophia. I am a student.
Nice to meet you, Sophia. I am Hero.
Nice to meet you, Hero.
Excellent. Hero, please complete you, my teacher.
You are my teacher.
Very good. And you both are students? You used I am and you are. Perfect.
Goodbye, Miss Elena.
Goodbye. Okay, let's practice again. Imagine you meet a new person. Sophia, you meet Hero. Hero, you meet Sophia. Start with hello.
Hello. My name is Sophia.
Hi, I am Hero.
Nice to meet you, Hero.
You are nice, Sophia. What's your name?
Almost, Hero. Say, what is your name?
Ah, yes. What is your name?
My name is Sophia, and I'm a student.
I'm a student, too. You're a good student.
Perfect. You both are students, and you are nice to each other. Good job with the contractions, Sophia and Hero. Okay, last game. Let's check what you remember. Listen, a teacher. What word is missing? Good. Sophia, you my friend. What word is missing?
Ah,
Excellent. Now, short form for I am, is it I am or I'm?
I'm.
Good. And what is the short form for you are?
you're.
Very good. How do you say hello in the morning?
Good morning.
And in the evening?
Good evening.
Perfect. You both are super students. We finish now. Next class, we learn about he and she. Goodbye, everyone. Nice to meet you.
Goodbye, Miss Elena. Goodbye, Hero.
Goodbye.
Hello, everyone. Good to see you.
Hello, Miss Elena.
Good morning.
Today, we'll talk about people and things. Look at this picture. It is my friend. My friend is a woman. How do we talk about her?
She is my friend?
Very good, Kenji. Yes, we use she.
What about a man?
Excellent question, Sophia. We will learn that today. We will learn about he, she, and it. Let's start. Are you ready? Okay, look at this picture. This is my brother. My brother is a man. We say he. He is a man. Can you say that?
He is a man.
He is a man.
Great. Now, this is my sister. My sister is a woman. We say she. She is a woman. Your turn.
She is a woman.
She is a woman.
Fantastic. Now, look at this. It is a pen. For a thing, we say it. It is a pen.
It is a pen.
Very good. We can also say he's and she's. So for the pen, we can say it's a pen.
It's a pen. Okay.
Good. Now look at this photo. This is a small person. This is a boy.
He is a boy.
Perfect, Kenji. And this is a girl.
She is a girl.
Excellent. So a boy is a young male person. A girl is a young female person. What about an adult male person?
A man.
Yes, he is a man. And an adult female?
A woman.
Exactly. She is a woman. Last one. This is a book. Okay, look at this in the room. This is a table.
It is a table.
Excellent. Now look at my face. I am smiling. I am happy. Can you say she is happy?
She is happy.
Good. Now, imagine I am crying. I am very sad.
She is sad.
Your turn.
She is sad.
Super! Now, look at this elephant. It is big.
Elephant is big.
Almost. Remember it for an animal. It is big.
Ah, it is big.
Yes, and this mouse, it is small.
It is small.
Great! Now look at me. I am tall. She is tall, and my friend, she is short.
She is short.
He is tall. She is short.
Very good. Now look at this car. It is new. This car is new, not old.
It's new.
Excellent. And this car is old, not new.
It's old.
Fantastic. So new and old. Let's try one. Kenji, this book is new.
It is new book.
Almost. We say it is a new book.
Ah, it is a new book.
Perfect. Sophia, this table is old.
It is an old table.
Hello again. Today we talk about describing people and things. Look at this picture. This is a man. What word do we use for a man?
He.
Yes, good, Kenji. We say he for a man or a boy. He is a man. Now, look at this picture. This is a girl. What word for a girl?
She.
Perfect, Sophia. We say she for a girl or a woman. She is a girl. Now, this is a book. What word for a book?
It.
Excellent. It is for a thing or an animal. So it is a book. Good job. Complete this is a man. What word goes here?
Heen.
Yes, he is a man. Very good. Great. Now let's add is. Look at this boy. He is happy. How about this girl? She is sad.
He is happy.
Yes, Kenji, he is happy. We use is with he, she, it. Sophia, try this. She, a woman. Which word is missing?
Is.
Correct. She is a woman. Very good. Now, look at this table. It's a small table. Complete this. It's a small table.
Is.
Fantastic. It is a small table. You understand is very well. Sometimes we speak fast. We make words shorter. He is becomes he's. He is.
He's.
He's.
Good. So she is becomes she's. It is becomes it's. Sophia, she is a woman. How do you say it short?
She's a woman.
Excellent. Kenji, it is a new car.
It's a new car.
Perfect. It's a new car. This is called a contraction. It's common. Match the full form to its contraction.
He's.
Yes. And she is... It is?
She's. It's.
Okay, let's put it all together. To describe, we use this order. He, she, it, plus is, plus a word to describe. For example, look at this man. He is tall.
He is tall.
Good. Now look at this girl. How do we describe her? She is short.
She is short.
Excellent, Kenji. Which sentence is correct? She is tall or she tall?
She is tall.
Yes, we need is. Now, how do you say he is happy in English?
He is happy.
Perfect. You've got the structure. Okay, time for practice. Imagine you are friends. Look at pictures on a phone. Describe them. Kenji, start. Show Sophia a picture.
This is a man. He is tall.
Yes, he's tall, and he is happy.
Very good, both of you.
Look, she's a girl. She's short.
She is small.
Nice. And what about the book?
It is a book. It is old.
Oh, it's old, not new.
Excellent. You are using he, she, it, and is so well.
This is a big table.
It's big.
Okay, Kenji, Sophia, look at my phone. We see pictures.
Oh, yes. This is a boy?
Yes, Kenji, he is a boy. What about this one?
This is a girl. She's happy.
Good, Sophia. She is happy. And this?
It is a dog. It is small.
Very good, Kenji. It's a small dog. What about this man?
He is tall.
Perfect. He's tall. And this woman?
She is old.
Excellent. We use he for a man, she for a woman.
And it for a book or a table.
Exactly. You both got it. Time for a quick game. Is a man. What word is missing?
He?
Correct, Sophia. He is a man. Next, she a woman.
She is a woman.
Fantastic, Kenji. Now, he is. What is the short form?
He's.
Yes, he's. And it is a small table.
It's a small table.
Good. It's is the short form. You can say it is or it's. You are very smart. Today we learned he, she, it, and is. You can describe people and things now. Great job. Next time we talk about you and we. Goodbye.